Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some KSCRAFT project shares, and it's mainly a 90s theme, and I'm so excited to show you my projects. So let's get started. First up we have this one, it's called 90s theme sentiments, and there's 9 of them. So this one's like talk to the hand. Sup. And then we have as if, like totally, fresh, MTV, booyah, that's rad, and bodelicious. And it includes the shadow background piece, which is really cool. And then next up we have this one that's really cool. It's a record folding box, and I have this ribbon that I put on with this knob that I put on here so that you can like close it like this. It's sort of like this for the lid, and you can open it and it looks really beautiful, this box. It stores a record, and you can put like a message on this record, and even the back as well. And here's a little folder which I like. And this paper collection is P13, and it's called Have Fun. The collection's called Have Fun. And so it says good vibes only, and then we have this. I made it with a brad here so that you can, like, you know, actually move it like a record player, and also the disc also moves around. It'll be so cool if I put, like, you know, happy birthday or a greeting, and then you can even put these words on, and then it moves. It's so cool. Look at it. It's moving around like this. I thought that was cool. And it comes with this pieces as well. And so I just thought it was really cool. You can even put it over here like this. It's really neat. And so you can have this side open or this side open, and you can, I decided to make this open on this side, and you can store a lot of things inside here. You can store more record players in here, more like of these records in here, or you can put these words in, anything, a gift card. So yeah, so this is the record folding box. So cool. I just thought it was so cool. I might have like made the screen a little bit too close. I like want to showcase, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Showcase all the projects. Alright, so next up we have this one. It's the rollerskate shakers. They're like tags, rollerskate tags. They're really cool. I added some of these beads in here, and it's so cute. And also a little keychain thing that you can hang off of. And so this is the larger size, and it comes with a smaller one, which I'll show you. It's attached to this boombox purse. They're calling it KSCRAFT boombox purse. And so here is the smaller sized roller skate tags. As you can see the difference here. And so these ones, I've added some cherries in there. It's like so cute because there's like a cherry float inside. the pictures here. And then it's hanging off of this boombox, which is another project, and it includes this little tape, and I made it into a pocket so you can put the tape inside. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I love these. You can even put this and make it like a heart speaker. And here are the music notes on the handle, which is really unique, and I love how the speakers are like hearts, and it comes with the word love mix. Next up are these caboodles. There's 3 sizes, and I have these stickers that are perfect for the caboodles. They're like makeup and nail polish, and I think this is like lip. Yeah, it says actually here lip, some kind of lip gloss, yeah. So cute. I just love these little caboodles. And here's the medium size. And there's a perfume bottle. And this one is pink fab. It says pink fab. I'm not quite sure what that is. And a little jewel, a blue jewel here. And I've added a little one of those centered flowers, also from KSCRAFT. And then we have this largest one, and then I have these like really shiny stickers again, and it's really cute. There's a lipstick and some eyeshadow, and this perfume bottle with brush. So those are the caboodles. And we have some of these. These ones are the really cute lunch pail and thermos. I just love these. They're so cute. It comes with the little thermos with the lid, and you can like have it as a cup on the side if you want to make some other like embellishment on the side. You can use this cup. And then this glasses is coming from a different glasses set also from KSCRAFT. So maybe it was like a year or 2 ago, and I have like these, and they're perfect for this like lunch box. I just thought it was so cool. And so this is the smaller size lunch box, and you can make it into a shaker as well. But it's so adorable. I just love these. And then I put the word "take it easy," a phrase I meant, and then here, don't overthink it. And then here's another one of those glasses that are like heart shaped. So many different style glasses, and I just think it's perfect for this lunch pail and thermos set. And here are those flower centers that I've added onto it. So cute. I just love these. Just love this whole release. And finally, I have this one here. This one is called let's see what this one's called. Vintage TV shaker. Just like love this. I love the style of this vintage TV shaker. And it's like so funny. I have this person roller skating, and then it's like upside down. Sort of like break dancing with rollerblades. I mean, not rollerblades, roller skates, sorry. And it says, "Let's roll away." And yeah, I just love this TV shaker. It's so awesome. And then the dials here. And then these flowers are also coming from KSCRAFT. Don't remember what they're called, but it's probably like previous month's flowers, maybe. Yeah. So maybe I'm thinking maybe February, or either, yeah, I think it's February these flowers are coming from. Yeah. And it's just so adorable. I just love this little TV. You can even make it into like a 3D box TV, sort of. So yeah, so adorable. Loving it. So yeah, these are my project shares. I'm still making more, and I'm making the binder, the keeper, and yeah, it's gonna be part of the Alice theme, and I'm gonna put it all decorated with like the Alice papers. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.